Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add text to your picture on the Pixomatic application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, click on the plus icon down below and tap on Start with Image. Select your picture, slide to the right side of the screen down below and tap on Text. After that you should start typing in your text, and then click on this checkmark icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Then you should position it within your picture. You can select the font. As you can see, many of them are only available to premium users. They are indicated with the Pro title. You can change the color of your text. The alignment can be selected. You can adjust it to the left, center, justify to the right. You can also select the spacing, the curve, which is also a premium feature. You can add shadows, so you can select the angle, the color, the blurriness and the opacity by the help of this slide. So tap on the checkmark icon in the upper right corner to save your picture. That's pretty much it for this video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.